So I'm out on the fishing pier in Punta Santiago that was destroyed by Hurricane Maria. You can see Monkey Island right there. If you look further out, you can see Naguabo down there. And this is the view from standing about halfway on the pier. If you go any further down the pier, it starts getting real sketchy real quick. So I'm just standing here watching the tip of my rod bounce up and down a little bit, but nothing yet. We're working on it. There's my friend who told me that the cops don't mess around out here, or no molesto de policía aquí. And that's my view.